Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make name frame full guide. Gather a wooden frame, name stencil, paint, sandpaper, adhesive, and measuring tape before starting. Measure carefully and mark center lines to align letters perfectly. Sand and prime the frame to ensure smooth paint application and lasting finish. Work in a well-lit area and allow paint to dry between coats for best results. Collecting the right materials makes the project easy and fun, so start with a comfortable workspace. Choose a sturdy frame or cut boards to size if you prefer custom dimensions. Pick paints and finishes that suit the room and will endure handling. Use stencils or vinyl for sharp lettering, or practice hand lettering on scrap wood first to build confidence. Keep glue, clamps, and sandpaper handy for assembly and touch-ups. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: life feels better with a fresh car, so pick up Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean scent after hauling craft supplies. I find it oddly motivating during messy projects. Check the description for the link and other deals before you go. Now let's get back to the video. Start by preparing the frame surface with light sanding and a thin coat of primer to promote adhesion. Carefully measure and mark where each letter will sit, using a center line to keep everything balanced. Apply letters by painting or adhering vinyl, building up thin layers for smooth coverage and less drips. Let each layer dry fully, then finish with a clear sealant to protect your work and give a professional look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.